Today we're going to go over the graphic challenge. So you have already listened to and gone over all the functions that we have for both drawing things. So you have background, which takes red, green, and blue and will erase the screen. You have a fill, which can change the colors of how you draw things. You have a line, which has 2 points, the x1, y1, and then x2, y2, which draws a line between 2 points. You have rect, which has an x and a y and a width and a height. And you have an ellipse, which has an x and a y and a width and a height. And you have a triangle, which basically takes 3 points, x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. So those are all the things you can use to basically draw any shapes. So what we're going to do now is to use all those and actually drawing something. So you can actually draw anything you want to. You can draw a spaceship, you can draw a car, draw a video game character, just a smiley face, or a house. So I recommend finding something you'd like to draw or something that you know. You can look up something else on the internet to see how it looks, but the best is just to try to do it from memory. And you can do anything that uses shapes like ellipses or circles or squares or lines, which you can do a lot of stuff with that, and including triangles. So you can pretty much do almost anything because everything can be kind of broken down into it. It might not be as smooth as, a picture, but you can do something that looks very similar to it. So if you really can't think of anything, you can just draw a house. Here's an example of a house with basically the sun on the side with some light rays coming off of it. You can draw the top part of the building here in blue, or maybe a red for a sunset, and then the bottom green, or maybe it's fall and it's brown, and then just basically doing rectangles for the house and the triangle for the top. So this is just something very simple that you could pick if you haven't been able to decide something else. So I recommend picking something from here, but if you can't think of anything, you can just go ahead and pick the house. All right, so go to it, and then once you actually get your challenge and you've actually built it, go ahead and leave it in the comment below. Also be sure to like and subscribe for more videos.